Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can find and copy your over deposit address on gate.io. Finding and copying your over token deposit address on gate.io is very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now you can see here is the homepage of my gate.io account. I've logged into my gate.io account. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see deposit. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on deposit. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the first option, which is written on-chain deposit. You can see it right there, send crypto transaction to your deposit address. So let me tap on it to select it. So guys, now this is the point where you have to look for the cryptocurrency that you want to copy its deposit address. So you have to scroll through this list of cryptocurrency. You can see here, you can see they are numerous. Just look for over token. So guys, to find it easily, you can use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then what I'll do right away now is to type in over. So let me type in over, OVER, then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the over token right there. The arrow is pointing at it. You can see the over logo. You can see it's written under it, over protocol. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your over deposit address. So guys, now you can see that encircled area right there. That's your over deposit address. So for you to copy it, what you have to do is to tap on the copy icon just next to it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see copied. You can see it right there. And also you can tap on copy address down there. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it copied. You can see it right there. So guys, I forgot something. Make sure that the network you actually chose is over. You can see it right there. It is written over. Make sure it's over so that you don't make the mistake of actually depositing it into the wrong address. Make sure the network is over. So guys, now this is how you can simply copy your over address, your over deposit address on your gate.io account. And I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload.